Well, we are getting some gutters put in our villa, and the company we got coming out is called A-Action Seamless Gutters. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that they do. If you'll notice, the gutter is actually made on the back of the truck. Seamless gutter. And they make this one full length of the house on both sides. And all the way around, as a matter of fact. But this one long piece was made off the back of that truck, and they extended out onto braces to hold it out. Then it takes two guys to walk it in. So, if you decide you want some gutters done, these gentlemen here are doing a great job. Everything looks great. They're doing a good job. They're quick. And here's the company. You can and the phone number. If you want to give these fellas a call and get a quote. Here's the brackets that they use to extend out the gutters. And all that is made in the back of this truck. A-Action Seamless Gutters, gentlemen. And today it is raining cats and dogs. Although it's starting to calm down as I begin to record this, of course. But it looks like it's going to be another rainy day in the Villages. This is Florida after all. I don't know if you hear any thunder in the background. I think by the time I started recording this, most of the storm had passed over. Trying out the new gutter system. Seems to be doing a great job. No more Niagara Falls right here in front of the doorway of the house. Lightning and thunder for you. Yep. Gutter job seems to be doing really good. In case anybody is interested in having some gutter work done. Everything's doing its job. The rains have calmed down a little bit right now though. Moving over a little bit fast. I think it's supposed to rain most of the day today.